Can you believe it? The holidays is right around the corner. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 easy steps how to prepare yourself for the holidays so that you don't make the same mistake I did when I first started my online coffee mug business. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMUGBIZ, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. And if you're thinking about starting your own online coffee mug business, we do have our ultimate DIYMUGBIZ program for beginners. And in this program, we show you how to start your own online coffee mug business from A to Z. And I will put that link in the description below and also in the comment. All right, guys, let's get to the video. Step 1, make a list of all your inventory. Everything that you need to run your business. The reason why, so that you don't forget anything. I know I have where I don't remember everything that's on there, so whatever I see, that's what I order. But if you make a list of all your inventory that you need to run your business, it makes it easier for you to go and check them off the list. So step 1, make sure to make a list of all your inventory that you need. Everything that you need to run your business is very important. Moving on to step 2, check your inventory. So everything that's on your list that you just made for step 1, go ahead and check to see if you have them in stock, basically, or if you need to order more. So after you make your list, go ahead and check your inventory and see what you need to order. Step 3, order them now. This is the perfect time for you to go ahead and place an order for all of your inventories that you need. You do not want to wait. It will eventually be out of stock. The lead time would take longer than it normally does. And we all know with the busy season, package will be arriving later. The lead time will be pushed back for another week or 2, and you may not get your inventory in time to fulfill your orders. I remember one year when I didn't order my boxes, and I waited until November to place an order, and those boxes never came. I didn't get them until January. There was an Office Depot close by that I can run to go and get those boxes so that I can fulfill my orders. But those boxes at Office Depot was a lot more expensive than the one that I currently order from my vendors. So save yourself some time and some money so that you don't have to go out and spend more money on your inventory. Make sure you order enough to last you until after the holidays. So the inventory that you need to order, make sure it's all the inventory that you need: your sublimation ink, your sublimation paper, regular copy paper, your regular ink for your to print out the labels, along with your mugs, which is very important, your packing peanuts, your bubble wrap, your boxes. Boxes are very important. And then your branding, your inserts, your hang tag. And if you gift wrap your mugs, make sure you get those gift bags. And if you're giving freebies away, like I do, make sure you get your candies that you normally get. Or if it's a special candy that you give out just for the holidays, make sure you have those available and that you don't have to wait or run out before you start ordering some. This is the month where I place all my orders for the holidays. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I will see you guys in the next video.